automatic voltage stabilizer. These stabilizers are used in your air conditioning system and refrigerator, and also used in your complete household system, house wiring, to maintain the voltage at constant. These voltage stabilizers are operate completely automatic. Nobody should operate, no need of operation by anybody manually. Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss about your voltage stabilizer. This is your voltage stabilizer. Voltage stabilizer is a device that maintain your voltage, means that its output voltage is nearly constant whatever the input voltage. So students, today we discussed about the voltage stabilizer, that is your automatic voltage stabilizer. Now we are going to open. Now we open its outer cover, and you can see these are the various parts of automatic voltage stabilizer. This is your 5 kVA. You can see the nameplate of the stabilizer, 5 kVA, and input voltage 50 volt to 280 volt, and output 220 volt plus minus 9%. Here you can see this is the terminal marked at the bottom, that is input and output, that is N for neutral and P for phase. Left side is your input and out, right side is your output. Here you can see these are the wire coming from the terminal, and this is your neutral link. This is a auto transformer. This is your neutral terminal, and these are the line. This line output line and input line comes to the relay. These are the various relay. These are switching to the transformer tapping, and this is a voltmeter. This voltmeter indicate the input and output voltage. This is your switches, and you can see there is a control transformer that supplies a 12 volt to the PCB. Here the PCB, this PCB maintain the output voltage at constant. This is your PCB, and this PCB operate the relay. These relay are operated from the PCB. These relay are operated. You can see these wires. these wires the NBC supply. These wires are the NBC supply that is coming from the in this PCB voltage sensor are here that sense the input voltage and maintain the output voltage accordingly. This is your major part, that is a auto transformer. Now we connect the terminal with the supply and test the input and output voltage. We give the AC supply from a variable auto transformer. Through that we can control the input voltage, we can vary the input voltage, and we can test the output voltage at different input voltage. This is your neutral wire. This neutral wire connect with a neutral. This one is your phase. This is your input voltage. that is about 160 volt, and output voltage is here 250 volt, about 250 volt. If I increase the voltage, that is 180, 170 and 180, then output voltage is 200. Students, this is your PCB, and this PCB contain a reset register. This is your reset register. Through that we can adjust the input voltage range. You can get a sound when we adjust. Here you can see the input voltage and the output voltage. This is our input voltage, that is 250 volt, and output voltage 300 volt. This is very high volt, so we can adjust the voltage through this adjusting register preset knob. This is your preset knob. You can hear a sound. Now we adjusted the voltage of this is your input voltage and output voltage, now adjusted to 250 volt. Through this adjusting knob, adjusting preset, this preset are for different relay. There is a relay. The relay should on or contact at which voltage this voltage can be set here through this preset. So you can observe the output voltage at different input voltage. You can see the input voltage, that is up to 250 volt, and output voltage is here 250 volt. Now we test at different input voltage. Now we decrease the voltage, input voltage. Now input voltage is a 250 volt and output voltage is 250 volt. Now input voltage is around 225 volt and output voltage 250 volt. Again I decrease the input voltage to 200 volt. You can see the output voltage, that is 225 volt. Now I increase the voltage of input, that also output voltage increases, and it increased up to 200 volt. Now the input voltage is only 50 volt and output voltage is 230 volt. Input voltage is only 50 volt. It maintains the voltage in between 182 to 30-40 volt. You can see gradually I increase the voltage and it maintains the output voltage. This is your final. Now input voltage is equal to output voltage. Again we decrease the voltage, then it also function accordingly. You can see it maintain the voltage nearly constant. Thank you.